that a good thing to get data from? Yeah? Cool. Okay, what can we do to start looking at this data we have in front? Let's see, I've talked to everybody has their hand up. Is there anybody? Oh, there we go, Lizzie.
You could figure out the way you want to sort them.
I'm sorry?
You could figure out the way you want to sort.
Okay, and what would be a logical way to sort these? Logical way. I can't see your name tag. Haley.
Color.
By color. Very good. Haley, would you like to come up and do that? Okay, so when she is pulling out all the colors and sorting them by colors, what does she need to do next? In order to take this and put it into a graph and make it make sense, what does she need to do? Whoops, Amanda?
She needs to see how many there are of each color.
Okay, very good. So if you guys want to be paying attention to that to see how many she has of each color, because I'm going to ask you that question in just a second. Dakota.
The y-axis, it has like how much of, say, red or something. Yeah.
Okay, so it's the amount?
Yeah.
Is that what you're going to say? Okay, very good. So along the bottom, you have your bars. You've got your colors written, so go ahead, please, and write the label colors. It's kind of obvious for anyone to see, but you still label, so make sure you have your label colors at the bottom, please. Okay, the next thing with bar graphs that you'll notice up there, I already got a little step ahead. Are they right next to each other? On bar graphs, the bars are usually separated by a space. There's another graph that we're going to be doing tomorrow that's very similar to a bar graph, but that spacing issue we'll talk about a little bit more with that. But usually with bar graphs, you have a space in between. Okay, on the vertical axis, or the y-axis, you have, we were just told by, was it you? Dakota, sorry. Up the y-axis is the amount. So now you have to decide, what is the scale going to be on your graph? What does scale mean? I'm going to give you a hint. It's not the thing that you stand on in the morning to find out how much you weigh.
It's the amount of, like, the numbers, like how they go on the side of the thing.
Exactly. It's how it's numbered up the y-axis. All right, so what should we number by? What do you guys know how to number by?
Twos.
Twos? Fives? Ones? Cassidy? What? Threes. As long as you have a pattern, right? Is that all right? You can number by anything? Okay, if we number by 25s, would that be good? No. Why not? Who can tell me why that's not a good plan? Nare? Is that the way you say it? Yeah. Yay.
Because you wouldn't be able to read it exactly.
It wouldn't be as precise. That's exactly correct. Nare, what do you think we should number by on our graph?
Ones.
Number by ones. Is there anybody in here who agrees with that? Okay, good job. Let's try it.